Hello, good morning, all of you. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos. Last class, I discussed about parabola concepts. After that, in parabola, some more concepts is there, various forms of parabola. Today, I will discuss about various forms of parabola, discussing about. Okay, various forms of parabola. Before, three concepts is there: focal chord, next latest rectum, double ordinate. First of all, discussing about double ordinate and latest rectum. What is double ordinate? What is latest rectum? Double ordinate. What is double ordinate? Double ordinate, it is nothing but in parabola. Okay, y square equal to 4ax. This is given curve. The line passes through the point P. The line passes through the point P. The line passes through the point P and perpendicular to axis. This PQ, the line passes through 2 points P and Q and perpendicular to axis. This is the axis. This is nothing but axis. It is passing through the some point Px comma y. That PQ is called double ordinate. The line passing through the point P and perpendicular to axis. It is parallel to, this curve is parallel to x-axis. That's why that axis, x-axis is called axis. This PQ is called double ordinate. After that, length of the double ordinate. Length of the double ordinate. Length of the double ordinate. What is length of the double ordinate? Length of the double ordinate, how to, again I am taking diagram here, 2 points, y square equal to 4ax diagram. I am taking P and Q. I am taking P and Q. Y square equal to 4ax. What is the coordinates of y square equal to 4ax? What is P? What is Q? Here at Px comma y, at Px comma y, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to, y square equal to 4ax means y equal to how much? Plus or minus 2 root ax only. Plus or minus 2 root ax. We taken y equal to 2 root ax or minus 2 root ax. Means therefore P point is x comma 2 root ax. Q point is x comma minus 2 root ax. X comma 2 root ax, x comma minus 2 root ax. And length of the double ordinate means PQ equal to how much? Length nothing but distance between 2 points formula. X minus x whole square, x1 minus x2 whole square only plus 2 root ax plus minus into minus plus 2 root ax whole square. PQ equals to x minus x whole square 0, 0 square, that is 2 root ax plus 2 root ax whole square means 4 root ax whole square. Their square root cancel, that is answer is length of the double ordinate PQ equals to 4 root ax. Length of the double ordinate equal to PQ equals to 4 root ax. This is double ordinate and length of the double ordinate. Double ordinate nothing but it is passing through the point P and perpendicular to axis, that is double ordinate. The curve is parallel to x-axis. If this curve is parallel to x-axis only, that's why this x-axis is called principal axis. Okay. Next, PQ is double ordinate. This is the length of the double ordinate concept. X equal to it is x is there. What is y? Y equal to, we get plus or minus 2 root ax. Y equal to 2 root ax comma minus 2 root ax. We get two coordinates, p point and q point. Distance between p and q, that is pq equals to 4 root ax. This is length of the double ordinate. Next, lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? Y square equal to 4ax. In y square equal to 4ax curve, the line nothing but double ordinate. The double ordinate passes through the focus. The double ordinate passes through the focus. The double ordinate passes through the focus, that is called lattice rectum. The double ordinate, PQ double ordinate passes through focus. Yes, that is called lattice rectum. Next we are discussing about length of the lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum. Okay, here PQ double ordinate, nana. It is double ordinate. The double ordinate passes through focus. It is total. It is called, this total diagram. It is called. It is lattice rectum. Okay. The double ordinate passes through focus. That is lattice rectum. Now we are discussing about length of lattice rectum and endpoints of lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum, endpoints. Endpoints also called extremities. Extremities of our lattice rectum also same. Endpoints are nothing but extremities. Length of the lattice rectum concept. For example, I am taking y square equal to 4ax. Y square equal to 4ax. What is the concept? One double ordinate passes through the focus. That is called length of lattice rectum. It is the equation of the directrix. After that, what is that? I am taking one focus here, yes. Okay. Here one point I am taking, P. Okay. Yes. A comma 0, P. I am taking A comma L because this length I am assuming L. Let SP is equal to L. I am assuming this length SP equals to L. Next, here also one point is there now. Q, that is A comma minus L. It is negative direction of y axis, that is A comma minus L. Positive direction of x axis, P A comma L. A comma L, how to get L? It is, I am assuming, let SP equal to L. A comma 0 means A to S distance is small a. A to S distance is small a. AS is equal to small a. Your vertex 0 comma 0. Okay, let SP equal to L, I am assuming. After that, what is the curve I am taken? Y square equal to 4ax I am taken. After that, P A comma L, it is passing through this curve only. This P A comma L, substitute in given curve. Y square equal to 4ax. Substitute. After substitution, A comma L, L square equal to 4a into x replace a square. Then L square equal to 4a square means L equal to how much? 2a. L equal to 2a, substitute. Here P, what is the point? A comma L, that is equal to a comma 2a. Because L equal to 2a we get. Same process, Q a comma minus L, then Q a comma minus 2a. These are PQ, these are called endpoints. These are called endpoints. Endpoints of lattice rectum. That is A comma 2a, A comma minus 2a. These are the endpoints of a lattice rectum. Endpoints of lattice rectum. But what is length of the lattice rectum? Length of the lattice rectum nothing but, please see that. Length of the lattice rectum, it is denoted by LLR. LLR nothing but length of the lattice rectum. LLR equal to P, how much you get? A comma 2A, Q A comma minus 2A. I am taking endpoints of lattice rectum. These are nothing but extremities of a lattice rectum. Remember these values also. How to get means this is the process. It's A comma L, substitute in y square equal to 4AX. After that L equal to 2A we get. L equal to 2A, substitute in P A comma L. L equal to 2A, substitute in Q A comma minus L. We get P A comma 2A. Q A comma minus 2A. These are endpoints or extremities of lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum, that PQ equals to length of distance between 2 points formula apply. Here x1 minus x2 a minus a whole square plus 2a plus 2a whole square. That only na, a minus a whole square 2a plus 2a, that is under root 4a whole square, square root cancel. This length of the lattice rectum equals to 4a. Length of the lattice rectum equal to 4a and endpoints equal to a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. This is lattice rectum. What is lattice rectum? Definition: the double ordinate passes through the focus, that is lattice rectum. That length of the lattice rectum equal to 4a. Endpoints of lattice rectum equal to a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. Remember these total formulas. Okay, this is lattice rectum concept. Next, various forms of parabola. Y square equal to, I am taking tabular form, it is very easy. Total 4 various forms now. Total how many various forms? 4 various forms. Okay. First one, y square equal to 4ax. Second one, y square equal to minus 4ax. Third one, x square equal to 4ay. Fourth one, x square equal to minus 4ay. Please see that. Every point. First one you get, remaining 3 very simple. It is y square equal to 4ax. That curve is parallel to positive x-axis. The curve is parallel to positive x-axis. This is curve of the parabola. The curve is parallel to positive x-axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. It is A, vertex, point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, that is A, that is 0, comma 0. Here one directrix is there. Directrix nothing but L equal to 0. This is directrix. Here directrix nothing but L equal to 0. After that, here P x comma y is any point on the locus. That P projection M is on the directrix. After that, here focus is there. S, that S is the focus of the parabola. Here y square equal to 4ax means S is I am taken here focus, A is vertex, Z is the point of intersection of the directrix and axis. This x-axis is called axis, Nana. This x-axis is called axis. Okay. This S is called focus. This S is called focus. This A is called vertex. This A is called vertex. This line L equal to 0 is called directrix. This L equal to 0 is called, that is directrix. Okay. These are the definitions. That vertex J0, comma 0, yes, focus. It is x-axis, it is called principal axis. This line L equal to 0 is there now, that is called directrix. Directrix. This line L equal to 0. After that, A to S distance is small a. I am assuming. A to S distance is, I am assuming small a. Then focus is a comma 0 only. Because on x-axis y coordinate is 0, that's why s a comma 0, z a comma 0. A to z distance also small a only. Then z how much? Minus a comma 0. Z is minus a comma 0. Z is minus a comma 0. Yes, a comma 0. After that, here I am written 4 points. No, not 4 points, 5 points. What is the focus of the parabola? Yes, a comma 0. It is nothing but focus. Okay. Second point, what is vertex? Vertex, it is denoted by A, that is 0, comma 0. After that, what is Z? Z is minus a comma 0. Z nothing but is point, it is point of intersection of directrix and axis. It is passing through directrix and axis. Z minus a comma 0. Okay, fourth one, endpoints of latest rectum now only completed. What is endpoints? Last concept. Endpoints, that is nothing but a comma plus or minus 2a. 2 points, pq points, p a comma 2a, q a comma minus 2a. Length of the latest rectum. Length of latest rectum, LLR. Length of latest rectum, that equals to 4a. Now only completed. Next, sixth one. Okay, equation of the directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix, that is x equal to, what is equation now? Z is minus a comma 0. Z minus a comma 0 on the directrix, compulsory that line is x equal to minus a, nana. X equal to minus a, it is equation of the directrix. Okay, that is x equal to minus a. That is 5 points. Totally 6 points I am taken. Here also same. Understand? It is curve parallel to x axis. That is y square equal to 4ax. Positive x axis. Curve, same curve parallel to x axis but in negative x axis. In negative side of x axis. It is y, this is x. Negative side of x axis I am taken. Curve is changed place. After that, same diagram again repeated. Here directrix. Now in first diagram directrix is left side. In second diagram for negative side of x axis curve is there. Means compulsory directrix is in positive side of x axis. Directrix. After that, here px comma y is on the locus. After that, here s focus same. After that, here vertex, here z. Here focus how much? Negative side of x axis means minus a comma 0. Here positive side of x axis means s a comma 0. Negative side of x axis minus a comma 0. Vertex 0 comma 0. Z a comma 0. Here directrix equation is x equal to, here write down points. Focus s minus a comma 0. Second, vertex a 0 comma 0. Next z a comma 0. Fourth one, next endpoints of latest rectum. Endpoints, it is nothing but endpoints of LLR. Endpoints of LLR, it is nothing but same formula, but a negative side means minus a comma plus or minus 2a. Here a comma plus or minus 2a, negative side of x axis means minus a comma plus or minus 2a. After that, length of latest rectum, LLR equal to same formula, 4a. It is not changed. Length of the latest rectum, here also length of the latest rectum, 4a. Both are same. Here sixth, the equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. What is equation of directrix? X equal to a. That is x equal to a. Equation of directrix. These are the 6 points. Like that, x square equal to 4ay. Here curve is parallel to y axis. Axis of the curve is parallel to y axis. Positive y axis. Okay. It is y. It is x. Here directrix is there. It is directrix L equal to 0. After that, here vertex a. Here focus s. Here z. Okay, same again, same concept. You can take in px comma y. Here, like this diagram is there. It is focus only. And now, first point. Please tell me, focus here. It is curve parallel to y-axis means compulsory focus will be changed. Now, focus s 0 comma a. Here parallel to x-axis means a comma 0. And parallel to positive y-axis means 0 comma a. After that, focus completed. Vertex. Vertex a 0 comma 0. Next, z. Z how much? 0 comma minus a. 0 comma minus a. Fourth one, endpoints of latest rectum. Endpoints of latest rectum of LR. Endpoints of latest rectum. Here also 2a comma plus or minus a. Plus or minus 2a comma a. Plus or minus 2a comma a. Here a comma plus or minus 2a. Here plus or minus 2a comma a. Fifth one, length of the latest rectum. Length of the latest rectum equals to 4a. Same answer here. Length of the latest rectum. Sixth one, equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. What is equation of directrix here? Equation of directrix is called y equal to minus a. Y equal to minus a. Equation of the directrix y equal to. I am taken x equal to minus a parallel to x axis. Here curve is parallel to y axis means equation of the directrix is y equal to minus a. After that, same like negative side of y axis curve like this. Okay, directrix is there. Here vertex a, here z, here s. Okay, what is the ppx comma y? Same diagram again here. After that, what is focus? It is negative side of y axis. Focus is 0 comma minus a. 0 comma minus negative side. That's why it's 0 comma minus a. Next, second vertex a 0 comma 0. Third z 0 comma a. 0 comma a. Next, endpoints of lattice rectum. Endpoints of lattice rectum. Endpoints of lattice rectum that equals to plus or minus 2a comma minus a. Fifth one, length of the lattice rectum 4a. Equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix. Equation of directrix, that is y equal to a. Y equal to a. Negative side, that's why you taken y equal to a. Equation of the directrix y equal to a, here y equal to minus a. Two values are not changed. There is two values in four forms, two values are there is no change. What is the values? Vertex 0 comma 0, vertex 0 comma 0, there is no change in four diagrams also. One more also, length of the lattice rectum 4a, length of the lattice rectum 4a, length of the lattice rectum also in four various forms are same, 4a, 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 4a. Remaining are small changes with respect to positive and negative x axis and y axis. With respect to positive x axis, with respect to positive y axis, with respect to negative x axis, and with respect to negative y axis. What is the changes? Please observe and read the formulas with respect to diagram. Don't by heart. Please understanding the concept you get easily. You by heart means compulsory forget the total formulas. First, how to get this total? Already I'm last class standard form, total standard form I'm explained by using standard form how to get these total values. Please remember. Okay. Next. Next, I will discuss. Okay. Next tomorrow, next class I will discuss if origin is shifted. What is the various forms of parabola, and after that I will discuss one more concept, tangent, normal and focal chord properties. Okay. Please listen my class and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.